From the police, stop him, he start, record.
So why you not gonna look at stand up now do nothing? Them a search my vehicle without consent. So me run left them.
You see police and stop you.
Yeah, the minute not talking with them.
Police and stop
Go
you.
do your work. Go do your work, brother.
I just switch lane and drive.
Turn on the body cam. You know what I'm saying?
Your body cam should have turned on long time. So you not turn on and off body cam. You not even know protocol.
Stop you.
Stop me? I know me want to stop.
So we don't know if you are a criminal, sir. We don't know if you have a illegal firearm in the vehicle. So we're checking for
So
ourselves.
just go search. Because I don't give authorization for me to consent to no, search.
Come on, Mr. James. Come on, Mr. Your suitcase is passed? Your suitcase?
Officer, do you do now?
Is it your suitcase, sir? Is it your suitcase?
Everything in there belongs to me.
Okay.
We want the gloves, they want to search. Where your gloves?
Don't worry yourself about that.
It's not about worry yourself.
Don't worry yourself about that, sir.
You know this stuff without the proper protocol. You know, body cam half. No, you just turn it on. You just turn it on.
Don't do it.
Young man, you say if you're new upon the force, I know good people let me a teach you here, brother.
Don't argue with him. You're squadding.
You can come and say don't come.
Young squaddy, learn the right thing. You hear, brother? And I'm going to teach you no foolishness. Your body can't be always on.